Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if data is not syncing on your Notify for Xiaomi app. If when you're trying to sync the data from your smart band to your app and this fails, for example it would show a red triangle right here, that when you tap it would tell you what the problem is. But overall, the things you could try to check to make sure that it would work would be to first again verify that it doesn't work by trying to sync. Then you could try checking if you are for sure connected to your smart band through Bluetooth. If you are, you could try to go back and then look in here and then tap on this to disconnect and then reconnect automatically. This will then try to sync again. If it still doesn't work, you should want to try and make sure that you don't have the official Mi Fitness app turned on or installed on your device, because it could be messing with Notify for Xiaomi. And make sure that there are no other unofficial apps that would be connecting to your Mi Band on your phone. Once you check all of those things, and if you have an official Mi Fitness app turned on your phone, you should try uninstalling it, because if you are using Notify for Xiaomi, then you don't really need it unless you have some sort of a thing where it is required. Then maybe you could try simply turning it off, forcing it off, taking away its auto start rights, which you can do in settings. Simply go out, go into security. In here you should be able to go into settings. Here try looking for auto start, or it's not here. You could try going into settings and looking for apps. Here manage apps and looking for Mi Fitness. But if you don't have it, then that's it. Also, you should of course go to Notify for Xiaomi. Here, search it up, go in here and just make sure that it's in battery. You have it set to no restrictions, that you have given it the appropriate permissions, which you might really need to do if you want the app to function properly. And also make sure, of course, if you can't find it, the easiest way is to in settings, search settings for auto start. Yes, background auto start, and just make sure Notify for Xiaomi is turned on, and if you have Mi Fitness, that it's turned off. Next thing you should try is to, of course, go into the app drawer and tap and hold on Notify for Xiaomi, and make sure that it's locked by clicking on this lock icon. Click on it and it's going to lock it, making sure the app doesn't get accidentally turned off. Also make sure that you have a genuine Mi Band. You can do so by first checking on your Mi Band if it has the Xiaomi logo on it, or of course verifying with a service center that you have a genuine Mi Band. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.